Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all requested, we are now having a tutorial on how to hand sew a 4-hole button on your button stand with this super cool technique. So let's go. So what we need is your needle and your thread. Once you have your thread, fold it and have a double end. We need to put the both of the ends through the needle and fold again. So this way we have a loop and a free end at both sides. What we want to do next is pinch your button stand, or just like fold it and put the needle through. Make sure you're putting it through the top part and not catching the bottom. And for it to be secured, we need to put it through the loop and pull really tight. Okay, so now what we need is your button, and what we've done now is we brought the needle through the fabric again, caught a bit of the fabric, and from the bottom hole to the top hole, we keep going to repeat this for at least 5 to 6 times to fully be secured in place. So I'm going to go from the top and I'm going to grab the fabric again from the buttonhole of our button and pull it through and come back the top, and just keep repeating until you feel like it's more secured. Okay, now that we're done with the first part, we're going to go through the both other sides, and now we're just going to turn slightly the button around for the other holes to be at the bottom and the top, and we're just going to repeat what we did with the first 2 holes at the beginning. So keep going through the fabric, catching the bottom and bring it through the top hole, and keep repeating until it's fully secured. Okay, so as you guys can see, we've been through all 4 parts, and now we're going to pull and secure, and now we're going to make a loop around and go through and create a knot. I will recommend to do this 4 to 5 times. Okay, now for the final touch, we want to bring the needle through both layers of your button stand. This is going to hide between exactly 2 layers, and just be careful that you're not going to catch any fabric. So this helps us bring the thread through, and it's just going to make it invisible and hide it so we won't have any loose ends. So we're just going to pull, and now I'm going to cut this thread and we're going to have our button. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm also going to upload the 2-hole button very soon, but if you haven't seen it, make sure to check it through my Instagram, and hope to see you guys soon.